We are here to learn about the scientific method, and we are going to learn about IVDV. IV, independent variable. DV, dependent variable. So, we will go on. First, if you want to know IV and DV, you must know what a variable is. A variable is something in an experiment that changes. It's as simple as that. Now there's two kinds of variables, so we need to look at them. But first, we need an experiment. Okay, I heard that plants like to listen to music, and they grow better if they listen to music. So I wanted to find out what kind of music the plants need to listen to. So here's what we're going to do. We need to come up with an independent variable. What is an independent variable? That's what you're asking, right? Well, let me tell you. An independent variable, easy. It's what we change on purpose. Okay, on purpose. So it's what we change in an experiment. So I need to think, if I am going to make this experiment about plants and music, what am I going to change? I can only change one thing. So, some ideas? The location? No, if I want to know about the music, then if I change the location too, maybe the location affects how big the plant grows. Can I change the plant? No, I need the same plant. These are actually called constants. That's a whole other thing, constants. They have to stay the same. They're not variables, they don't change. Variables change. Constants stay the same. Temperature, I think that's another constant. That's something else I could test, but another time. The music, yeah, if I change the music, then I can see if that affects the height. If that'll change the height. So this, looks like this, will be my IV right here, the music. Yes, yes. Check it out. Okay, so if I'm going to change the music, now I need to think about what am I going to do with the music. So let's see. I'm going to have some different kinds of music. So maybe a little bit of this. Nice, nice. Okay. Or maybe how about this? Sorry about that. Maybe we'll see if the plant likes that. Or we can go a little bit more like this. Whoa. Okay, I don't know about that. But you never know. Oh, now we just can't go back. Oh, there we go. You never know. Maybe the plant likes the heavy metal. I don't know. Maybe there's heavy metal in the soil. Sorry, bad joke. Okay, so now we know the independent variable. We're going to change the music. I'm going to, on purpose, change different kinds of music. I'm also going to have a control. That's another word, very important. Control means something I don't change. So the control means no music. No music for the control. But then I'll have other types of music. Now, we need to get to the DV. The DV, the dependent variable. Now, if you think about it, if something's independent, it's kind of on its own. It changes itself. Dependent, that means it depends on the IV. It cares about what the IV does. The IV changes it. So a dependent variable, what changes because of the IV, the independent variable? So if I change the music, that's my IV, what changes because of it? Another way to look at it? What are we going to measure? I like this too. This makes it pretty easy. So, we have the same options. Now these again, these are constants. They don't change. Music, that was my IV. If I change the music, what might change because of the music? I'm going to measure the height of the plant. That could change. So it's also a variable. And I don't change the height. I'm not going to stretch the plant. I can't change the height myself. I just change this, and then it changes the height. So right there, there's my DV, dependent variable, the height. All right. So I use those, and I do the testing, and then, that's what my results would be. Do you think that would be true? I don't know. I think we might have just made that up. But hopefully now you can figure out what is the IV, independent variable, and what is the DV. Now I'm going to get back to some Justin Bieber. Thank you. Come back again sometime.